O Scream SeaWorld Orlando.
First year.
Inaugural fear. Okay. All right, let me tell you. I can remember back in the 1st of June.
Yeah, we was on our trip.
When they announced this, I can tell you where we were at. We were at Holiday World.
Sitting in front of the wave pool.
Yep, we were. And I happened to check my phone and I looked at Tyler. I said, "Oh my gosh, Tyler!" And he's like, "What?" He thought something was wrong. And I said, SeaWorld is having Howl O Scream. Being the Busch Gardens Williamsburg veterans that we are, we had to make sure to come to SeaWorld Orlando's inaugural Howl O Scream.
Yep.
So we're gonna go in there and check this out. We know they got 4 mazes. They're having Monster Stomp, which is like one of our all-time favorite shows in Williamsburg. And we're gonna see what else they got going on. So let's head in here. While we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Oh my goodness.
And with me.
I've noticed that it's very I think our first house is going to be Water's Edge Inn. Are we ready for this?
Yes.
Yes. Ready, Chris?
Ready.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. He's a good one.
Great job. So we made it through Water's Edge Inn.
Walk around.
All right. I know by the time I release this video, Howl O Scream Orlando will be completely over, but I wish we would have paid attention to it because that maze exits all the way back up at the front, at the beginning of the park where we came in.
So we just
walking there. That would have been like a good one to do at the end.
Yeah.
But it was the first one we came to. But anyway, little tip there. Not that it's going to do anybody any good. But the maze. Yep. The maze itself, I got a lot of jump scares, so that made me happy. They are pulsing people through, so it was a little bit longer.
It was kind of short, but
a little short.
Yeah.
I thought. But
they wouldn't crowding you in there though. They were sending, maybe they were sending a little bit, maybe they should have sent a little bit more.
A little bit more people? Yeah, but Chris, you didn't get any scares.
I didn't really, but it was just, I mean, I was just in the back And I guess I'm with the HHN. I'm just ready for if somebody jumps out over here.
Yeah.
I'm ready for somebody to jump out over here.
Yeah. Well, the maze itself, I really liked it. I love the themes like that for the like motel sort of things. So I give them props for that. Great on the theming.
That's look good.
It looked good. This is pretty cool. This is one of their bar areas. Tormented. So there is the Beneath the Ice maze. I think we are going to head back toward the back area of the park for right now. See how bad the lines are back there. I really want to make it to Monster Stomp as well, so.
Is that a siren?
That's
A siren.
it's a siren.
Oh my God, Bestie.
Uh-oh.
Bestie, I love your hair. It's so cute.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. That noise. Oh.
Best friends, and we were gonna make necklaces out of their teeth.
Oh, now we got deadly ambush. Oh my gosh, that thing on the ground. All right, y'all, so I'm not sure exactly what that area was back there with those weird sounding.
The Roman horde.
Oh, is that what maybe it was, the siren?
Because I think I did notice on the website they have Roman horde.
Oh, okay. So now
We're in the ambush.
we're in the ambush scare zone. Okay, those things right there were just roaming. They were weird though. I have to say that, they're weird. That one got me. She got me. I needed that. Oh, I know it's really dark. They got their little campsite set up here.
I like how this is like never ends. It's like,
What are y'all doing still here? I thought I told you to get on out of here now. There's no camping tonight.
Okay, no camping. Oh!
Like, I just thought we were out of it at one point, and I was like, well, damn, people just kept coming.
Yeah, we ambushed. It was good.
There wasn't no black and white.
No,
Okay, we might have the chainsaw Roman horde here.
yeah.
Alright, so we're back here at another maze, which is Dead Vines. I guess we'll see what kind of wait we got for it. One of the attractions that's open for SeaWorld during Howl O Scream is Infinity Falls. So, if you want to get drenched and have you a night ride on the Infinity Falls, then there you go.
Hey! Does she know where Marshall Stone is?
Get a map.
Get a map.
There's no map.
It's not that way. Look, there's a dead end. Huge wall, buddy. Go somewhere else.
But we're trying to make our way over to Monster Stomp. So this video is going to be really chopped up because we were pretty confused.
Really chopped up.
Because the park's a little chopped up right now. We did dead vines, okay, because we skipped the, what is that, beneath the ice up front, because the line was pretty long. So
Bunch of good
dead vines. We got some good scares, didn't we?
Yeah, I did.
Still
Chris, you got some good scares, didn't you?
The house wasn't as nice, but I got a bunch of scares in there.
Yeah.
still a little on the short side, but
Longer than the first one, though.
Yeah, it was longer.
than the first one.
And we had probably a little bit of delay in the line. We're not sure why, but it took us a little longer than what it probably should have. But we came out and we were in the Witchcraft Bayou scare zone, which looked pretty good. Okay, I don't understand though why we were right at the theater where Monster Stomp would be,
and then
it was blocked off. We got to walk all the way around. But anyway, we're heading to Monster Stomp because I want to see it here, see if it's the same as it is at Williamsburg. And I didn't get to see it at Williamsburg this year or year before last, so that's what we're doing now. So we still got 2 more mazes. I think we've been through all the scare zones except for the one up here is the Sea of Souls. Yeah. I needed that. Okay, so this must be the what did I say? The Sea of Souls scare zone. Okay, guys, and Mako is open over here as well. Uh-oh. Whew, couldn't see for a minute. Okay, so hopefully when we get out, we're thinking about trying to get a night ride on Mako, but we were rushing over here to try to see Monster Stomp. Showtimes were 8, 9:30, and 11, so we didn't really want to wait till the 11.
your pain is my paradise. So tonight you're gonna pay the price.
Yeah, me too.
You wanna play with Mr. Rabataki?
No, no.
I'll be looking out for you. I'll get you next time.
Okay. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. They're everywhere in the bushes. Did you hear them? Huh? We made it over to Monster Stomp in time. Monster Stomp is not the same as the Monster Stomp in Williamsburg. I think it had a little bit of the same theme in with Jack the Ripper, but it was a different show, which is fine. We did enjoy it. And then we got a night ride on Mako. And a little disappointed with, as far as the night ride on Mako, the fact that they had one train ops right now on Mako. And for Mako to be the only coaster that's open in the park, I know it's a Thursday night, but it is a Thursday night before Halloween, so we had to wait a little bit for that. So a little disappointed. Should be running at least 2 trains. Look, I got coaster hair now and wet hair from earlier today. We got ambushed. We got ambushed with like 3 of them. Oh goodness, what is that?
That's the thing about going through there. You can't tell if they're in, you know what I mean? You're looking ahead, if they're just walking, you can't really tell.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's so dark.
Yeah, it's pretty dark in that one.
Y'all leaving so soon?
We're leaving.
Better watch out, you're gonna end up just like the campers, slaughtered all over the RV.
Oh no. We're gonna end up just like the campers, Tyler.
Oh no.
Slaughtered all over the RV.
Oh no.
We're going through the Captain's Revenge.
Yeah, here we go.
Maze,
Whoop, whoop.
maze number 3. I can say we should have gotten the Express or whatever they call it here.
We should have gotten the Express.
The
Fear Pass.
Fear Pass.
Yes.
As they call it.
But we
should have, but we didn't. And by the time we started going through, we got through 1 maze and 2 mazes, then there wasn't no need in buying it then. So we went in Captain's Revenge.
Yeah.
That one was actually probably a little bit longer.
Yeah,
Seemed a little longer.
It was longer
than the other 2 we've been in so far, which was Dead Vines and what was that first one? The Water's Edge Hotel, or
Water's Edge was probably.
It was pretty short.
Yeah, it was short.
But that one actually had right many scare actors in there.
It did.
Which we got a few jump scares. Chris, you get some jump scares in that one?
Oh yeah. I think
Now,
that's the best out of 3 so far.
They had some good jump scares. I've never been a big Pirates fan because they've never really gotten me.
That's what I was gonna say. Me and Tyler are usually like the Pirates. We're not, you know, because they're not really that scary.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was good.
Yeah, oh yeah, it was. There wasn't nothing wrong with it. No.
We are going to try to make it through Beneath the Ice.
Yep.
And see how long the line is.
We've heard that this is the best one.
Yeah. So we'll see.
We'll see what happens.
Well, we're going back through the deadly ambush again.
Well,
Get home safely.
All right.
we're coming back.
We're coming back through. Oh God. Oh no, you've been bitten.
But you can still get out.
Okay, we're gonna try.
Get home safely.
Okay.
I'm out of here.
Oh my gosh. It's a cat. Cat's camping too.
I saw a rat and a cat here tonight.
Please help.
I couldn't tell if that was like a scare actor or just a person.
What up, man?
Okay. Hi.
Oh, welcome back.
Well,
You were scared from earlier.
Okay, yeah.
What up, man? I've been here like 5 times.
Yeah, no, it's fun, right? You just can't stop coming.
Can't stop coming to your camp.
I know.
I think we made a good move, y'all. Basically, the Beneath the Ice is a walk-on compared to what it looked like earlier. So, we made the right choice going to see the show, coming back.
Howl and scream. My sister Hex is more than a dream. Her touch will make you wish for death as you struggle and shake to find your last breath. They deserve this. You hurt our mother. Now we will hurt you. I'm gonna run all over you. I'm looking for You cannot stop this from happening. We will feed on all of you, and we are everywhere. We will have our revenge. I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said.
One more trip through the frozen scare zone.
Good job.
He is good.
Even that girl that was recording earlier.
Very good. Gosh, this one's Roman. Alright, so last night it was super late when we were leaving SeaWorld. Howl O Scream. I don't even think we were so tired. I don't even think we reviewed the last house, which was Beneath the Ice.
It was,
You went through it twice.
Yeah, and me and Chris went through it twice.
Yep.
That's something we got to go through individually.
I let him go a little bit. I hung back, let him go, and then he got like a solo run. I got a solo run.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay, I waited outside.
We just literally walked right on it. It's like at the park cleared out for like an hour and a half.
Like the last hour, you could do anything.
Yeah, and the lines, that's why we had cut back and did some mazes back in the back because that beneath the ice was so long.
Yeah.
And we didn't get the quick cues or fright lane or whatever it was that they call it there last night. Fear pass. We didn't get the fear pass last night, so we're sitting up here with the wind's actually blowing my arm. This is the next day, as you can tell. But as far as the SeaWorld event overall,
it was I give it probably a
solid. I'd say solid.
3 out of 5. Yeah.
We had some good scares.
Yeah. It was scary. They was coming at you like they was up in your face. Like, they was coming for you.
The scare zones were good.
Yeah,
they had a couple strong scare zones. Yeah.
There was the people that were cleaning the park were scary. I mean, it was awesome. You didn't know who was going to jump or not.
They would come by sweeping a little trash up, and then all of a sudden they jumped at you and scared you. I think it definitely, for a first year, they did fine.
Yeah.
But there are some little issues that
they need improvements.
We could suggest, not that they'll listen to us, but the routing through the park.
The routing was not, I don't understand why you had to go all the way around like the sea of, well, I call it the Sea of Trees, because that's what it is during Christmas, but you had to go around through the seaport or whatever, where the sky is, and come back to Mako, go march your stomp in Mako, when you could just like literally.
It's literally, they're right there at Infinity Falls.
And like the patch ended, so you had to do a lot of walking.
You come out of, which one was that? The Dead Vines. Dead Vines?
Yeah, and you could have like literally just went
right there to Mako or to the Monster Stomp.
200 yards away.
and then you had to, but instead you had to walk and you had to go all the way back around.
And then if you
I didn't understand that part.
Then if you didn't do the other house while you were back there.
Right. Oh yeah, the Captain's Revenge. Because that's what we did. We went in Dead Vines. We come out over at Infinity Falls.
And you
had to walk all the way back around to do we went and do the show.
Do the Captain one first, because you exit right there and then go into
Dead Vines. So that part definitely needed some help, needed some improvement to it. I realize that they're not probably going to open up the whole park, and I understand that.
No, I mean, that wasn't really the whole park.
No, I mean, but they could have. Maybe there's a reason, but we didn't understand that reason. I mean, it's kind of crazy. So you had to do a lot of walking and backtracking. We went through that one scare zone like, I don't know how many times.
But hey, it was probably the best one in the park.
I think the scare actor's like, oh, y'all back again.
I think the scare actors even knew us by then.
The deadly ambush.
Yeah. But that was probably, I guess, my main thing. Hopefully, this was the first year. Hopefully they learned some things from it, and hopefully it comes back next year and it's expanded to even larger, because 4 mazes for probably an amount of people that try to go, it's kind of long, or the lines were long. The line I take that back. The lines weren't that long, they were just moved really slow. Now, I appreciate.
I like how they pulled you in, but I mean,
they need to be a little bit faster.
A little bit faster.
Yeah.
And I think the houses need to be a little bit longer too. They're a little on the short side.
Rate your house.
But that's what I was gonna say. As far as the pulsing, I kind of like the pulsing, but yet they were running pretty slow pulsing and only sending a few through. Houses. I really like the theming to the hotel one.
First.
I like the theming to it.
And make sure you do that one last.
Yeah.
Because it dumps you out at the beginning of the park. Then you got to walk all the way back around. That probably had the best theming that and beneath the ice.
Yeah.
But I got the best scares on the pirate.
On the pirate thing, and I actually did on the dead vines. Now
my order is beneath the ice, dead vines, captain, and then water's edge.
And then a water's edge. Like, we didn't get that many scares on the water's edge. That's why I said theming wise, I liked it, but it was short. Scare wise, I didn't get as many scares on it.
But they put a lot of detail on that house.
Yeah. But yeah, scare wise, I guess mine would have been the vines. I probably got the most in the dead vines.
Yeah. Vines beneath the ice.
So we had a little brief intermission there.
Yeah, way to go eat.
Our food came. We had to eat. But anyway, I was just about done too when they brought the food. I was just going to say thanks for joining us at our first adventure of SeaWorld Howl O Scream this year, and we hope we'll be back for it next year.
Yep. Bye.